How to fix your Wi-Fi is connected but you don't have internet access. So if you're seeing this error message and your internet's not working, I'll show you how to go and solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is open up the Start menu on your computer. Now go and search for View Network Connections and click on this window here. You then need to go and right click on your Wi-Fi adapter, click on Disable. You can then right click again and press Enable. Now once your Wi-Fi is reconnected, go and right click on this again and press Properties. Now you'll need to scroll down to Internet Protocol version 4 and make sure this is turned on. Once you have this selected, press Properties and then select Use the following DNS addresses. Now from this window, you need to go and type in the following numbers. Type in 8.8.8.8 and also 8.8.4.4 and then press OK. You can then close out of this window and check if that solves the issue. If it's not working, open up the Start menu once again, search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now from this window, go and type in the following command: ipconfig /flush DNS and then press enter. Once you've done this, go and close out of this window. You can then open up your Start menu again, search for Device Manager and click on this window. Now come down to Network Adapters and click on the drop down arrow. You then need to locate your Wi-Fi card from the list. Now it should have Wi-Fi in the name like so. You can then right click on your adapter and make sure the device is currently enabled. So if you see a button here that says Enable Device, then just go and select this. You can then press Update Driver, press Search automatically for drivers, and once again check if that solves the issue. Now if your internet's still not working, there's one final solution. Open up your Start menu again, search for Settings and click on this window. Click on Network and Internet from the left hand side. Scroll all the way down to Advanced Network Setup and then scroll down to Network Reset. Click the Reset Now button and just go and press Yes. Now you'll need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Once your computer's restarted, you'll also need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection, and that should have solved any network issues.